Okay, we're coming around the back end of the prison, the juvenile detention facility. Also notice here, this is the graveyard. Oh man, look at this, look at the bumps. Oh, this road is caving in. These are just numbers on the graves right there. Isn't that crazy? For Connecticut Valley Hospital. See that? Just numbers. Most people don't even know this is here. But they did a lot of electroshock and torture type of stuff at Connecticut Valley. Now, there's the prison. Try to zoom in as good as I can. Looks like they have some type of camera and transmitter over there. But also Whiting Forensic is that building. The one up here. Oh man, the road's bad too. State property, no trespassing. What's going on over there? Alright, well, they didn't want me going up that way. Okay, now, here's some more footage. Look at, there's a clock. And it is not is that 123? 125? Is that a sign maybe? 125? Like January 25th? Try to get all this for you. And notice the fence. It's turned inward. There's cameras all over. High voltage. Oh yeah. Electrified fence for kids. Look at Zone 14, it says. Now, going down this road. Oh man, these bumps. Anyway, when I get around the bend here, I'll be able to show you better. Now, the last video I made of this, I really didn't stop. But down there is the river, okay? And there's also train tracks right there. See that? So you got the train tracks that could come in easily. And now you got right here Connecticut Juvenile Training School. Let's see if they are operational, because Governor Malloy closed this down. Now I don't know if Ned Lamont opened it back up under the cover of darkness or what, but look at, there is